নমস্কাৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল, মোৰ নাম কুলদীপ শৰ্মা আৰু আজি মই আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰলৈ লৈ আহিছোঁ ইণ্ডিয়ান জিঅ'গ্ৰাফিৰ ওপৰত কেইটামান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন। এই কুৱেশ্যনসমূহ আগন্তুক APSC আৰু অন্য কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামৰ বাবে খুবেই ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট। চ' ভিডিঅ'টো ভালদৰে চাব, মন দি চাব আৰু শেষলৈ চাব। আহক ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। প্ৰথম প্ৰশ্ন, এৰেঞ্জ দ্য ফলোয়িং লেণ্ডফৰ্মছ ইন দ্য অৰ্ডাৰ অফ দেয়াৰ ফৰ্মেশ্যন ফ্ৰম অল্ডেষ্ট টু য়াংগেষ্ট। Number 1, Trans-Himalayan Range. Number 2, Deccan Plateau. 3, Himalayan Range. 4, Plains of Ganga. Option A, 1, 3, 2, 4. Option B, 2, 1, 3, 4. C, 1, 2, 3, 4. নে D, 1, 3, 4, 2. আটাইতকৈ ওল্ডেষ্টৰ পৰা য়াংগেষ্টলৈ এৰেঞ্জ কৰিব দিয়া হৈছে। ঠিক আছে, ইয়াৰ এনচাৰটো হ'ব B, 2, 1, 3, 4. Deccan Plateau is the oldest landform of India, which was formed prior to the collision of India and Eurasian plates. India আৰু Eurasian platesৰ collision হোৱাৰ আগৰ পৰাই Deccan Plateau আছে, and it is the oldest part of India. ঠিক আছে, Trans-Himalayan Range was formed by the folding of Thetis Jonas line due to compression force generated by the closing of plates. ঠিক আছে, Himalayan ranges were formed because of the collision between the Indian and the Eurasian plate. যেতিয়া ইণ্ডিয়ান প্লেটটো ইউৰেছিয়ান প্লেটৰ লগত কলাইড কৰিলে, সেই ফ'ৰ্চটোতেই হিমালয়ান মাউণ্টেইনছ ফৰ্ম হৈছিলে। Plain of Ganga was formed by alluvial deposition of river Ganga in Cenozoic era. ঠিক আছে, next question. Which one of the following peaks is not located in India? A, Gurla Mandhata. B, Namcha Barwa. C, Kamet. D, Nanga Parbat. E, none of the above or more than one of the above. ঠিক আছে, কোনটো মাউণ্টেইন পিক ইণ্ডিয়াত ভাৰতত নাই? এনচাৰটো হ'ব A, গুৰলা মান্ধাতা। গুৰলা মান্ধাতা ক'ত আছে? টিবেটত আছে। অ'কে, ইট ইজ ইন টিবেট। নামচা বৰুৱা ইজ ইন অৰুণাচল প্ৰদেশ। কামেট ইজ ইন উত্তৰাখণ্ড। এণ্ড নাংগা পৰ্বত ইজ ইন ডাইমেৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট অফ গিলগিট বাল্টিস্তান ৰিজিয়ন। ঠিক আছে, গুৰলা মান্ধাতা ইণ্ডিয়াত নাই, টিবেটত আছে। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, consider the following statements regarding the Shivalik range. It is made of sedimentary rocks. Number 1. Number 2, it is continuous range. Number 3, it is completely absent in the eastern Himalayan region. Which of the above statement given above are correct? ঠিক আছে, option A, only one. B, all are incorrect. C, 1, 2 and 3. or D, 1 and 2. ঠিক আছে, ষ্টেটমেণ্ট কেইটা দিয়া আছে, তিনিটা ষ্টেটমেণ্ট, কোনকেইটা কাৰেক্ট হয়? এনচাৰ হ'ব A, only one is correct. Shivalik range is the outermost range of Himalayan mountain system. It is made of sedimentary rocks and it is a non-continuous range. The width of the Shivalik range is very narrow in eastern Himalayas. ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট প্ৰশ্ন, which of the following statement regarding Andaman and Nicobar Islands is true? ঠিক আছে, the Andaman Islands are southward extension of Aryangkoma range. B, the Andaman Islands are mostly volcanic in nature while the Nicobar Islands are mostly coral in nature. 3, the 9-degree channel separates the Andaman Islands from the Nicobar Islands. ঠিক আছে, কোনকেইটা ষ্টেটমেণ্ট কাৰেক্ট হয়? অপশ্যন A, 1 and 2. অপশ্যন B, only 2. অপশ্যন C, only 1. নে অপশ্যন D, none of the above? The correct answer is A, 1 and 2. ঠিক আছে, the Andaman Islands are southward extension of Arkanyoma Range. The Andaman Islands are volcanic in nature, but the Nicobar Islands are coral in nature. 10-degree channel separates Andaman Island from the Nicobar Island. ঠিক আছে, মনত ৰাখিব, ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়। 10-degree channel separates Andaman Island from the Nicobar Islands. Next question. Which of the following is the only district in India that share its boundary with 4 states? ঠিক আছে, কোনখন একমাত্ৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট হয় ভাৰতৰ যিটো 4খন ষ্টেটৰ বাউণ্ডাৰীত আছে? A. Kathiawar, B. East Singhbhum, C. Agra, D. Sonbhadra, or E. None of the above. The correct answer is D. Sonbhadra. Sonbhadra is a district of Uttar Pradesh which has adjoining boundary with Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Bihar. এই 4খন ষ্টেটৰ লগত বাউণ্ডাৰী শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিছে সোনভদ্ৰা ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টে। কোনকেইখন? মধ্যপ্ৰদেশ, ছত্তীশগড়, ঝাৰখণ্ড এণ্ড বিহাৰ। Apart from that, Sonbhadra is the second largest district of UP. The largest district in terms of area is Lakhimpur Kheri, while the largest district in terms of population is Allahabad. Kathiawar district is situated in the plains of northeastern part of Bihar state. ঠিক আছে? It is surrounded by Purnia district in the north and the west, Bhagalpur district and Sahebganj district in the south, and Malda at Uttar Dijnapur district in West Bengal. Next question. Which of the following state does not share boundaries with Bangladesh? কোনখন ষ্টেটে বাংলাদেশৰ সৈতে নিজৰ বাউণ্ডাৰী শ্বেয়াৰ নকৰে? অপশ্যন A আসাম, অপশ্যন B নাগালেণ্ড, C মেঘালয়া, D Mizoram, or E none of the above. The correct answer is B Nagaland. The Indian states which share their borders with Bangladesh are Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura and West Bengal. Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura and West Bengal এইকেইখন ষ্টেটে বাংলাদেশৰ সৈতে নিজৰ বাউণ্ডাৰী শ্বেয়াৰ কৰে। চ' নাগালেণ্ডে নকৰে মানে। India's most international border seems to be with West Bengal. ঠিক আছে, সৰি, with বাংলাদেশ। বাংলাদেশৰ সৈতে ইণ্ডিয়াৰ লংগেষ্ট ইণ্টাৰনেশ্যনেল বৰ্ডাৰ আছে, আৰু ৱেষ্ট বেংগলে আটাইতকৈ লংগেষ্ট boundary share kore with Bangladesh. Next, which of the following state of India has the longest coastline? Option A Maharashtra, B Andhra Pradesh, C Kerala, D Gujarat, E none of the above, or more than one of the above. The correct answer is D Gujarat. Gujarat has the longest coastline in the given states. India's total coastline is about 7,516.6 kilometers. Therefore, D is the correct option. That is Gujarat. ঠিক আছে? Next question. Which is the largest freshwater lake of Northeast India? Very important question. Option A Ular Lake, B Silica Lake, C Loktak Lake, D Gobind Vallabh Pant Sagar Lake, E none of the above, or more than one of the above. Largest freshwater lake of Northeast India kuntu hoy? Correct answer is C Loktak Lake. Loktak is the largest freshwater lake in Northeast India. Kot ase Loktak Lake? It is located in Moirang in Manipur. Manipurat ase. It serves as a source of water for hydropower generation, irrigation, and drinking water supply. The lake is also a source of livelihood for the rural fishermen who live in surrounding areas and on Fumdis, also known as Fumsongs. ঠিক আছে? The lake was initially designated as a wetland of international importance site under the Ramsar Convention on 23rd March 1990. ঠিক আছে? Next question. McMahon Line forms the boundary between A, option A, India and China, Option B, India and Pakistan. Option C, India and Myanmar. Option D, India and Nepal. Or option E, none of the above. So McMahon line forms the boundary between Kundukhon country Mazar McMahon line to boundary hoy. That is, the correct answer is A, India and China. The McMahon line is the demarcation line between the Tibetan region of China and the northeast region of India, proposed by British colonial administrator Henry McMahon at 1914 Simla Convention signed between British and Tibetan representatives. মনত ৰাখিব ঠিক আছে Simla Convention 1914ত McMahon লাইনটো ডিমাৰ্কেট কৰা হৈছিলে ইণ্ডিয়া এণ্ড পাকিস্তানৰ মাজৰ বৰ্ডাৰ লাইনটো কি বুলি কোৱা হয় ৰেডক্লিফ লাইন এণ্ড ইণ্ডিয়া এণ্ড ম্যানমাৰৰ বৰ্ডাৰ লাইনটো কোৱা হয় ইণ্ডো বাৰ্মা বেৰিয়াৰ ঠিক আছে নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন Which of the following are the major factors affecting the formation of soil? Option 1, relief. B, parent material. C, climate. D, time. Or E, 5, vegetation. Choose the correct answer from the codes given below. ঠিক আছে A, 2, 3, 4. B, 2 and 3 only. C, 1, 2, 3 and 5 only. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct answer to hobo D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gute geta. ঠিক আছে Soil is the mixture of rock debris and organic materials which develop on the earth's surface. Mineral particles, humus, water and air are the main components of soil. The major factors affecting the formation of soil are relief, parent material, climate, vegetation, other life forms, time, human activities. ঠিক আছে গোটেই কেইটা হ'ব Next, which of the following soils are formed by the deposition of silt brought by rivers? A, desert soil. B, black soil. C, alluvial soil. D, red soil. E, none of the above. The correct answer is C, alluvial soil. Alluvial soils are formed by deposition of materials or sediments, যিটোক আমি alluvium বুলিও কওঁ, brought down by rivers that consist of silt, sand, clay, etc. This soil is formed by the interplay of mostly 3 Himalayan rivers, that is the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. This soil has also been formed by the sea waves or due to wave action in the coastal areas or region. ঠিক আছে ক'ত পোৱা হয় alluvial soils? It is found in the plains of northern India, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, and Orissa. The delta region of southern India, the river basin, and the deltas of river Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. Alluvial soil, which is found in the deltas of rivers, is called deltaic alluvium. ঠিক আছে Alluvial soil is very fertile and is suitable for cultivation. খেতি কৰিবলৈ ভাল alluvial soil. ঠিক আছে Rice, wheat, cotton, maize, sugarcane, jute, tobacco, oilseeds, millets, pulses, vegetables and fruits etc. are the crops that are grown in alluvial soil. Next, which of the following is concerned with soil? A, edaphic. B, climatic, C, biotic, or D, topography. The correct answer is A, edaphic. Edaphic is an abiotic factor relating to the physical or chemical composition of the soil found in a particular area. ঠিক আছে For example, very alkaline soil may be an edaphic factor limiting the variety of plants growing in a region. Next question. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Trees. ইফালে trees দি আছে ইফালে forest types দি আছে কোন কেইটা tree ক'ত পোৱা যায় ঠিক আছে A, teak, sal and sisam. ইফালে ট্ৰপিকেল ডেচিডিয়াছ দিয়া আছে 2 বাবুল নিম এণ্ড কেজৰি ফৰেষ্ট টাইপত দিয়া আছে ট্ৰপিকেল এভাৰগ্ৰীণ 3rd rosewood mahogany and ebony tropical forest type দিয়া আছে tropical thorn. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A only 1, B 1 and 2, C only 3, or D 1, 2 and 3. Correct answer is A only 1. Species found in evergreen forest include rosewood, mahogany, ebony, etc. Main species of semi-evergreen forest are white cedar, hollock, and kyle. Teak, sal, shisham, mohua, amla, simul, kusum, and sandwood, etc. are the main species of moist deciduous forests. Aro important species found in tropical thorn are babul, bear, and wild date palm. Kher, neem, kejri, palus, etc. So option 1 to correct. A. ঠিক আছে? Next, which of the following regions of India has a combination of montane, moist, deciduous, and evergreen forests? Option A, northeastern hills. Option B, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Option C, eastern highlands. Option D, western Himalayas. The correct answer is A, northeastern hills. Hilly region of northeastern states have combination of montane forest, moist deciduous forest, and evergreen forest. Montane forests are found between altitude of 1000 to 2000 meter in higher hilly ranges of northeastern India, as evergreen broadleaf trees in which oak and chestnut are predominant. Most deciduous forests are more pronounced in the regions which record rainfall between 10 to 200 centimeters. Tropical evergreen forests are found in western slope of the Western Ghats, hills of northeastern region, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Hence option 1 is correct. Next question. Which part of India has the Kalakot tertiary coalfield? Kalakot tertiary coalfield ক'ত আছে? Option A, Brahmaputra river basin of Assam. B, Damodar river basin of Jharkhand and West Bengal. C, Himalayan mountain region. D, Cardamom hills in Kerala. ক'ত আছে Kalakot tertiary coalfields? Correct answer is option C, Himalayan mountain region. Tertiary coal fields have only 1% share of total coal production of India. Kalakot coal field is in Jammu and Kashmir, south of Pir Panjal range. ঠিক আছে? Option C to correct hobo. Next question. Jharkhand is a sole producer of option A, limestone, B, kyanite, C, coking coal, D, all of the above. The correct answer is C, coking coal. Jharkhand has a large deposit of minerals. 40% of the total minerals of the country are available in the state. The state is the sole producer of coking coal, uranium, and pyrite. Coking coal is mainly mined from Jharia, Bokaro, Karanpura, Hutur, Auranga, Daltonganj, Deoghar, Rajmahal coalfields. ঠিক আছে? Next question. Which of the following pairs of power plants and its respective district is not matched correctly? এফালে পাৱাৰ প্লেণ্টৰ নাম কেইটামান দিয়া আছে আৰু এফালে ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ নাম দিয়া আছে, কোনটো কাৰেক্টলি মেচ নহয়? এ, বাৰাউনী টিটিপি মানে থাৰ্মেল পাৱাৰ প্লেণ্ট, বেগুচৰাই, কাজৰা পাৱাৰ প্লেণ্ট পাটনা, কান্তি পাৱাৰ প্লেণ্ট মুজফ্ফৰপুৰ, কাহালগাঁও STPS at ভাগলপুৰ, কোনটো কাৰেক্টলি মেচ নহয়? Correct answer is B. Kajra Thermal Power Project is located at Kajra in Laksirasai district of Bihar. ঠিক আছে? বাৰাউনী বাকীকেইটা কাৰেক্টলি মেচ আছে, অপশ্যন বি টো কাৰেক্টলি মেচ নাছিলে। লক্ষীচৰাই ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট অফ বিহাৰত আছে কাজিৰা থাৰ্মেল পাৱাৰ প্ৰজেক্ট। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, ধলভি ষ্টীল প্লেণ্ট ইজ লোকেটেড ইন অপশ্যন এ তামিলনাডু, বি মহাৰাষ্ট্ৰ, চি উৰিষ্যা, ডি কৰ্ণাটকা। The correct answer is B, Maharashtra. ঠিক আছে, Dholvi steel plant is located in west coast of Maharashtra. It's run by JSW Steel. It take water from Nagothane River. This is India's first and only operating Konark technology plant. Important হয় মনত ৰাখিব। Producing thin strips is the special quality of this plant. ঠিক আছে, next, which of the following rivers does not drain into any sea or ocean? Option 1 Luni, option B Narmada, option C Tapti, option D Sabarmati, option E none of the above. কোনটো river কোনো সাগৰ বা oceanত নপৰে? The correct answer is A, Luni. Luni is one of the few west-flowing rivers going towards the mostly desert land of western Rajasthan. It is a seasonal river which dries up in the summer. It originates from the Naga hills of the Aravalli range in Rajasthan's Ajmer district. From a height of 772 meters, it receives most of its water from the drainage of the southwest slopes of Aravalli range. Its main tributaries are Joai, Sukri, Guhia, Bandi, and Jojari rivers. ঠিক আছে, Narmada, Tapti, and Sabarmati are west-flowing rivers and drain into Arabian Sea. মনত ৰাখিব, সোধে কোনকেইটা ইষ্ট ফ্ল'য়িং ৰিভাৰ হয়, কোনকেইটা ৱেষ্ট ফ্ল'য়িং ৰিভাৰ হয়, প্ৰশ্ন আহি থাকে। চ' নৰ্মদা, তাপ্তি, সাবৰমতি ৱেষ্ট ফ্ল'য়িং ৰিভাৰ হয়। ৱেষ্ট ফ্ল'য়িং ৰিভাৰকেইটা আৰাবিয়ান চিত ড্ৰেইন হয় আৰু ইষ্ট ফ্ল'য়িং ৰিভাৰ বে অফ বেংগলত ড্ৰেইন হয়। ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, which of the following is not an east flowing river of peninsular India? A Mahanadi, B Godavari, C Tapti, D Krishna, E none of the above. The correct answer is C Tapti. River Tapti is a river in central India between the Godavari and Narmada rivers. It flows westwards over a length of 724 km before draining through the Gulf of Khambat into the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea গৈ পৰে Tapti river. ঠিক আছে, the river Tapti rises in the Satpura range. East flowing river of peninsular India are east flowing river কোন হয়? Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. And west flowing rivers are Narmada, Tapti, Mahi, Kali Nadi. মনত ৰাখিব দেই, ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়। ইষ্ট ফ্ল'য়িং ৰিভাৰ কোনকেইটা? মহানদী, গোদাবৰী, কৃষ্ণা, কাবেৰী। এণ্ড ৱেষ্ট ফ্ল'য়িং ৰিভাৰ হ'ল, আৰু ইষ্ট ফ্ল'য়িং ৰিভাৰকেইটা গৈ বে অফ বেংগলত পৰেগৈ, আৰু ৱেষ্ট ফ্ল'য়িং ৰিভাৰ হ'ল নৰ্মদা, তাপি, মাহি এণ্ড কালি নদী। ঠিক আছে, ৱেষ্ট ফ্ল'য়িং ৰিভাৰ গৈ আৰেবিয়ান চিত পৰেগৈ। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, arrange the following rivers in correct sequence from north to south. Peneru number 1, number 2 Vaigai, C Sabari, north to south. Arrange কৰিব দিছে। ঠিক আছে, অপশ্যন হ'ল A 1 2 3, B 3 1 2, C 2 3 1, or D 1 3 2. Correct answer is B 3 1 2. ঠিক আছে, সাবাৰী, পেনেৰু এণ্ড ভেগাই। ইয়াতে অকণমান দেখিবলৈ সেয়া হৈছে, মই দেখাই দিছোঁ। এইটো হ'ল সাবাৰী, পেনেৰু, ভেগাই। ঠিক আছে, নৰ্থৰ পৰা চাউথ, নৰ্থৰ পৰা চাউথ। ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট, which of the following rivers of India does not originate from the Western Ghats? Option A, Godavari. B, Tapti or Tapi. C, Kaveri or D, Kabam. The correct answer is B, Tapti. ঠিক আছে? Now, Godavari is the second longest river of India after Ganga. Its source is in Triambakeshwar, Maharashtra. Godavari, Triambakeshwar, Maharashtra source আছে, ঠিক আছে? Tapti river, also spelled as Tapi, is in central India. It rises in the Hillward Hill of Central Deccan Plateau in South Central Madhya Pradesh. Central Deccan Plateau পৰা originate হৈছে, ঠিক আছে? আৰু Kaveri and Kaveri river originates from the Western Ghats. So the correct answer is B. Next, consider the following statements regarding the geographical conditions required for the growth of tea. 1. Tea bushes need temperatures of more than 25 degrees Celsius. 2. Tea plants needs heavy rainfall ranging between 150 cm to 250 cm. 3. Tea plants require a light, loamy soil. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 and 2. B, 2 only. C, 1 and 3. D, 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Tea is the most important beverage crop in India. The tea plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climate. Tea bushes require warm and moist, frost-free climate. ঠিক আছে? ঠাণ্ডা হ'ব নালাগে ক্লাইমেটটো throughout the year. Tea bushes need a temperature of more than 25 degrees Celsius. Tea plant needs heavy rainfall ranging between 150 cm to 250 cm. The rainfall should be well distributed throughout the year. The plant requires a light, loamy soil. এনে গোটেইকেইটা প্ৰপাৰ্টিজ আমাৰ অসমত আছে, সেইকাৰণে অসমত আটাইতকৈ বেছি টি প্লেণ্টেশ্যন পোৱা যায়। Next, which of the following is second highest coffee producing state in India? A, Tamil Nadu. B, Kerala. C, Assam. D, Goa. Second highest coffee producing state. Okay, the answer is B, Kerala. First highest is Karnataka. Coffee production in India is dominated in the hill tracts of South Indian states, with the state of Karnataka accounting 53%. এইটো সুধিব পাৰে যে first highest coffee producing state কোনখন হয়? That would be Karnataka. Second is Kerala with 28%. Tamil Nadu third হয় with 11%. ঠিক আছে? Next, Kuttanad is a place with the lowest altitude in India. It is one of those places in the world where agriculture is carried out below sea level. Kuttanad is located in which of the following states? A, Tamil Nadu. B, Kerala. C, Andaman and Nicobar Island. D, Lakshadweep. E, none of the above. Correct answer is B, Kerala. ঠিক আছে? Kuttanad is a region covering the Allappuzha, Kottayam and Pathanamthitta districts in the state of Kerala. Below, this region has the lowest altitude in India. মনত ৰাখিবা দেই। And one of the few places in the world where farming is carried out on around 1.2 to 3 meters below sea level. ঠিক আছে? So বন্ধুসকল, এইকেইটা প্ৰশ্ন আছিল। আশা কৰিলোঁ আপোনালোকে প্ৰশ্নকেইটা চাই ভাল পালে। যদি ভাল পালে ভিডিঅ'টো লাইক কৰিব, চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'ব, কাৰণ এনেকুৱা ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যনছ আগলৈ আহি থাকিব। চ' আজিলৈ আহিছোঁ। Everybody take care. Bye-bye.